Hi, I'm a developer and I am making a pirate-themed arena brawler. Six heroes online multiplayer, so I want to take some time to talk a bit about that. Welcome to Devlog 0. So, what is this game? Well, this game is a primarily 2v2 action combat arena brawler set in a pirate-themed arena. I have six heroes at the moment with distinct kits. Skirmishers who hooks and dashes, and I have ranged marksmen. I have tankier fighters, and pirate commanders who throws explosive kegs, etc. And a funny skeleton also, who throws his head to damage enemies. Matches are short and intense, best of 3 rounds so far is what I've gone with from the beginning now. There are pretty much 2 ways to get into a game at the moment. You can queue up in the 2v2 or 1v1 queue even, and get matched up automatically against someone who also queued for the same thing. Or you can create custom lobbies with your friends up to teams of 5. The game is being built in Unity. I use Spacetime DB as a cloud-based service for account management, login, authentication, matchmaking. The Spacetime DB basically uses a authentication with Discord, so you just log in with your Discord account when you open the game, and boom, you have an account. No email sign up required. Right now, I'm doing closed playtesting with my friends, which is going great, I would say. It works as well as you can expect from a game that I've been just putting a few weeks into. And my plan is to start distributing the clients, I guess, to gain myself more playtesters for in the future. I actually have a CI/CD pipeline set up, so I developed a launcher for the game, so the launcher just automatically downloads the latest version of the game that I have released, which is kind of cool. So there is no hustle with the distributing zip files or .exe files for every new game version. So if you want to try this game out, you only need a launcher, which is quite nice to get sorted out this early in the development phase. So let's get to what is actually built right now. As I said, I have a full authentication pipeline set up with Discord. I have matchmaking. You gain elo when you win or lose a match. Doesn't really mean anything at the moment because there is no ranked based matchmaking, except for in the custom lobbies where I have actually implemented a kind of shuffle based on elo. So you shuffle your team around and the team are automatically balanced based on elo, which is cool for in-house games and stuff. I track players' match history and it is displayed. I track your kill and death stats. I track wins, which is, yeah, all this is on your homepage. The custom lobby system is kind of just finished, so apart from the queue where you queue into random people, you also have the option to create a custom lobby as well, where you can invite your friends to play by sharing a code or actually adding them as friends in-game, which is kind of cool. So there is actually a friends list in-game where you add each other. So what's coming next? I guess for the most part, I am focusing right now on polishing the hero kits. Actually, I'm pretty happy with most of the kits overall for the 6 heroes, but most, if not all of them, needs some more polish with regards to their VFX and SFX and animations. Because I believe that I just don't want to pump out new heroes. I believe that the heroes that I already have in the game, I want to get some kind of standard for how they look, work, and feel. I think most importantly, they should feel good to play. And whether that be is that their kit feels good, that should include that the VFX and SFX sounds good and animations flow well. I also have a plan somewhere in the future to make an additional map, I guess, so that you maybe there could be a voting system or a ban system for maps like there are in CS, for example. Obviously, new heroes. Once I'm happy with the state that the current 6 are in right now. I also have plans to polish the user experience and user UI, because right now the UI uses just a lot of basic buttons and stuff, and I think some basic UI polish would be good once I'm happy with the heroes, I guess. I think that's the next big thing to tackle after that. I have some playtesting to do with the custom lobbies end-to-end with actual players. I've not actually tested that with my friends, only the 2v2 queue and the 1v1. I've confirmed that that works well with my friends, based on your Discord name. So yeah, I have a friend system in place. I also have some plans to make hero spotlights, maybe instead of making a devlog, or both. But we'll see about that. I think that's a good way to present and tease the heroes. I hope this introduction was short and to the point. My goal is for my devlogs to be a weekly thing, mostly to keep myself accountable. And I don't know, maybe I can build some kind of community around this game. Hope to see you again shortly. Bye bye.